Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I will show you how to do a slip knot, the foundation chain, the regular single crochet stitch, as well as the back loop only and front loop only single crochet stitch. So let's get started. Begin by wrapping your working yarn around 2 fingers until you make a loop. Then bring the short tail of your working yarn behind that loop so that it sort of looks like a pretzel. You then want to bring that piece of yarn through the loop and attach your hook to it. Just make sure that you're not pulling it through too tightly, you want it to be sort of loose. Now I will show you how I usually hold my working yarn. I have it loosely over my index finger and then I pinch the short tail between my thumb and middle finger. Okay, so let's get chaining. So you will begin by yarning over and then pulling your hook through that loop. And that's it, you have your first chain. So again, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you have 2 chains. Yarn over and pull through. I now want you to continue and create 15 of these chains, and I'll meet you at the end to show you how to do the first row of single crochets. Alright, so now we have our foundation chain over here, and then I've chained an extra one and turned my work over. And now we are ready for our first single crochet. So what you want to do is go into the first loop over here, so not the one that we chained and turned our work over, but this empty one. Push your hook through and yarn over. Pull that back through that same loop so that you have 2 loops around your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's our first single crochet. So let's look at it again. Push your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull it back through that chain, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So now go ahead and continue this row of single crochets, and I'll meet you at the end to show you how to do the next row. Okay, we are now at the end of our first row of single crochets. Just like before, I want you to chain 1 and turn your work over, and we are now ready to begin doing our regular single crochet row. So we will now work our single crochets under the top chain of this row. So under those 2 loops at the top, we will go underneath them with our hook, and then we will yarn over and pull back. Until we have 2 loops around our hook, then we will yarn over and pull through both loops. And now we have our first single crochet stitch. So let's do that again. Push your hook underneath the loops, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops around your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Repeat this for the rest of the row, and I'll meet you at the end to show you how to do the back loop only single crochet next. So we are now at the end of the second row, and this is what our work looks like so far. Go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work over so that we can start looking at how to do the back loop only single crochet stitch. Once again, we will be looking at the 2 loops at the top of our work. We have the back loop over here, and then we have the front loop over here. So for a back loop only crochet, you want to insert your hook into the back loop, then yarn over and pull through until you have 2 loops around your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. So let's look at that again. Push your hook through the back loop, yarn over and pull through then yarn over and pull through both loops. Go ahead and practice this technique for the rest of this row, and I will meet you at the end so that we can look at the front loop only single crochet stitch. Remember to chain 1 and turn your work over. So we've now finished our back loop only single crochet stitch, and we are ready to look at the front loop only. So the front loop only single crochet stitch will be pretty much the same as the back loop only one, but we will do it, that's right, in the front loop only. So this is the front loop, insert your hook through it, then yarn over and pull through that loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. So let's look at that again. Push your hook through the front loop only, yarn over and pull through that loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's how you do a front loop only single crochet. You can now continue with the rest of this row if you would like to, and I will meet you at the end of it. And that's it. If you followed along and you managed to learn all these new stitches, well done. This is definitely one of the more useful and basic stitches that you will find in various patterns for crocheting, so it's really good to master it. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time with more videos like this one.